afternoon, wherever you guys are. Thank you for joining in. I'm gonna do, this is still pretty cold here. I'm gonna do a few more winter scenes. This is again, as and when I get a chance, I try to do as many videos as possible for every week video. So I'm gonna pick something wintry. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna pick something and we'll start. So on the paper, I just got a Saunders 140 grams. I just use old paintings, and I've just got a small plein air palette. This is Mijello, and I've got a few random bits and bobs. I can't find my pencil. Let me just find my pencil. There's my pencil. I am not organized. Okay, so I've got a 6B pencil. Okay, so again, very simple. I'm just trying to do is have a horizon, and then I'm going to have some vegetation over here. Everything is just purely, we are looking at wash, and there's some grass over here. So I'm going to try to use a fan brush, try to do that. And then also I'm going to put in a sun, which probably I should do is put in a, if I can find a scissor. I don't have a masking tape. Oh, sorry, I don't have a masking ink. What I can do is, I'm just checking. Put in a circle, which makes it nice and my chair fell down. I've got a bit of surgical knife here. I'm just gonna cut that. Okay, so that is just a little bit of sun sitting over there. I can erase that. I don't know whether you can see it in the, so there's a little bit of masking tape sitting there. And then let's just go ahead and do some nice clean wash. So I'm just picking up the color. I have gray on my palette, and then there's a little bit of blue, and then also Algerian crimson. So that's a good starting point. I'm just gonna blend in, maybe add a little bit of lavender. And go from there. So that one is fine. I will add a little more lavender. Okay, I'm going to just wash my brush. Have a little bit of gradient. And then add a little more gray. Yeah, it's just a simple gray wash. Okay, at this stage, quickly dry. Oh, see a little bit of gap there. Quickly dry. I will add a little more gray to the bottom. So that's a nice little wash. I'm just picking up a a normal brush. I'm going in with a little bit of yellow ochre. The palette had a little bit of yellow ochre. I'm going with raw umber and some burnt umber. Warm tones. And I'm coming in maybe from here. Yeah, so it's just some colors. And I'm going in, adding in some okay. Also making sure that it has some contrast in the bottom while it's still wet. And I don't like the sharp edges over here, so I'm going to come in, soften it a little bit so that it's kind of wet on wet. Okay, while it's still wet, I'm just adding in a couple of conifers or something sticking out. I'm going to clean the brush and make it a little more softer on the top. I can still see some sharp lines, which I don't want. Some places at least. Okay, while at rest, a couple of my places a little harsh. I'm gonna go add a horizon. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with yellow ochre and try to build a story over here. Oh, I don't know if I can take the scissor off. So I'm just trying to make it a little more drama over here. In between snow, so that's what we are trying to achieve. I could try using my fan brush if I can find it. Yeah. So that's my fan brush. It's a cheap brush, but for things what we are trying to do, that's perfect. So a little bit of making sure that it has some shadows and less water. So there's a shadow. And I'm going to come in with a normal rigger and then maybe add a little more nice detail on a couple of places on the foreground so that you know how that one looks in the background. Yeah, so the foreground has more details and the background doesn't need to have a lot of details. And while we're there, I just want to add a couple more places, some shadows, some neutral black. Maybe it's a stone, maybe it's not. Okay, that's my foreground. While it's still drying, I will take my palette knife and add a couple of silver birch. So I don't know whether you can see it. Yeah, trying to do is get some more nice silver birch over there. Yeah, and a couple of places the snow is too white. I'm just gonna add a little bit of a neutral color in a couple of places. So a little more shadow here. Okay, so let me take that masking tape off. Should look like a sun. Come on. Okay, that one is a little too white. I'm gonna just put in a little bit of off-white. A little bit of off-white. There is sun in the sky. Let me just quickly dry, and then maybe I'll add a couple more trees in the foreground. Okay, so I'm gonna again pick a couple of trees. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do with this painting. This again, it's a very simple, but I feel it's an effective, nice wash. Let me just quickly take the tape off and then show you how our overall effect looks like. So I am not 100% happy with that strong edge. I feel like if I try to do something right now, it's gonna make it even worse. And then also, let me just make that cleaner. Okay. Let me just dry. The center, I kind of made it even worse, I think so. I don't know what I can do. Let me just try to fix the wreck. So I'm adding a little bit of water and hoping I can lift it up. It was fine before and I tried fixing that. Okay, all right, let's leave that one. I hope you enjoyed it. This is again a very quick sketch. If you can look at it from a distance, yeah, it's a quick sketch. Again, I would like to avoid those sharp edges. I'm not sure I should try to tweak it right now. Okay, It looks like a cloud. I will just leave that one right now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Sketch, if you can look at it from a distance. Yeah, it's a quick sketch. Again, I would like to avoid those sharp edges.